Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss, my name is Aufadila, NIM 19231005. I will read about which foods should I eat and how much. There is some up-to-date advice about the amounts and kinds of foods and drinks that we need every day for our health and well-being. By eating the recommended amounts from the 5 food groups and limiting foods that are high in fat, sugars, and salt, you can get enough of the nutrients essential for good health. You may reduce your risk of chronic diseases such as heart diseases, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and some cancers. You will also feel better, look better, enjoy life more, and live longer. The amounts of food you need from the 5 food groups depends on your age, gender, height, weight, and physical activity levels. For example, a 21-year-old man should aim for 6 servings of vegetable a day, whereas a 21-year-old woman should aim for 5 servings a day. A 61-year-old man should aim for 6 servings of carbohydrate a day, and a 61-year-old woman should aim for 4 servings a day. Those who are taller or more physically active and not overweight may be able to have additional servings of the 5 food groups or margarine and oils or discretionary choices. Thank you, Miss. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.